Happy New Year, Jiva.
Buon anno, Rishi.
Hey, what's up with the Italian response?
Well, when it comes to food, we are global citizens, aren't we?
Lindo gesto.
Exactamente.
Hello, welcome to Dr. Matt's Metabolic Kitchen. I'm Rishi.
And I'm Jiva. We are passionate about health and follow Dr. Matthew C.L. Phillips and his pioneering work on metabolic strategies.
According to the World Health Organization, 7 of the 10 leading causes of death in the world are lifestyle disorders such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's.
Is there anything in common among these conditions? For example, what does cancer have in common with Alzheimer's?
There is growing and extensive evidence that mitochondrial dysfunction is the common underlying factor. According to Dr. Matt, the type of disease that develops depends on the tissue that is prominently damaged in the body. For example, mitochondrial dysfunction in the neurons leads to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's.
So what are metabolic strategies, and how do they help?
Metabolic strategies such as fasting and ketogenic diets induce a whole-body metabolic state that optimizes mitochondria function. Mitochondria produce the energy for the cells and are integral to critical functions, including cellular signaling.
Can anyone do keto? What about people who can't eat animal products?
Well, the ketogenic diet is really a method incorporating high fat, adequate protein, and low carbohydrates. So anyone, omnivore, carnivore, vegetarian, or vegan, can follow it. Also, any ethnic cuisine can be adapted to keto: Thai, Indian, Pan American, Mediterranean, or European.
And speaking of Europe, in this episode, we're taking you to Tuscany, Italy, courtesy of YouTube Airlines.
Tuscany, with its regional capital Florence, is known for its breathtaking landscapes, history, and artistic legacy. It's also the birthplace of the Italian Renaissance.
Etruscans were the first major civilization to flourish in the region, dating as far back as the 10th century BCE and well into the 1st century BCE, when they were defeated by the Romans.
Etruscans established transportation infrastructure and implemented agriculture and mining. Romans brought their engineering prowess to the region. The ensuing medieval and Renaissance periods saw Tuscany become a prominent cultural center.
Modern-day Tuscany has an immense cultural and artistic heritage, expressed in the region's churches, palaces, art galleries, museums, villages, and piazzas.
Simplicity is the hallmark of Tuscan cuisine and features legumes, bread, cheese, vegetables, mushrooms, and fresh fruit.
In addition, meals often feature beef and pork, olive oil, and white truffles from the region.
Are you ready for a Tuscan delight? Let's make Tuscan salmon from Dr. Matt's metabolic therapy plan.
The plan also includes numerous recipes like this from a variety of ethnic cuisines. Feel free to check them out in the link below.
My name's Hiccup. I've always wanted to be a great Viking. Nice dragon. Okay.
To make 3 servings, we are going to need 400 grams of salmon fillets, or about 0.9 pounds, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 50 to 100 grams of Parmesan cheese, 3 tablespoons of butter, a half a cup of canned coconut cream, 10 cherry tomatoes or 2 full-size tomatoes, 3 cloves of garlic or 3 teaspoons of crushed garlic, 60 grams or 2 ounces of spinach or kale, a quarter of a cup of basil or parsley chopped, juice from 1 lemon, and a teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste.
First, season the salmon fillets with a half spoon of salt and pepper. Heat the olive oil in the pan on medium heat. Cook the salmon fillets for 2 to 3 minutes and flip them over. If some skin sticks to the pan, it's okay. It will come off when we add the other ingredients. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overcook. Add the butter and wait for it to melt. Stir in the garlic and cook for a minute. Add sliced tomatoes and the rest of the salt and pepper and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Break up the fillets as you cook so the fillets soak in the flavor. Add the spinach and cook until it begins to wilt. Now, add the coconut cream, cheese, and herbs. Reduce the heat and simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. And squeeze the lemon juice before serving. Enjoy.
No. Ugh.
Whether you're a Viking,
Or not.
whether you eat with your family and friends,
Or dragons.
do it in true Tuscan style.
Also, remember, it's never too late to restore your health.